Hello and welcome back to my nail corner. Today I have a kit that Modelones sent over for me to try out. I've heard nothing but good things about their products, so I was happy to accept and give them a shot and then tell you guys what I experienced. Also, the mani on my right hand is up in the cards for you guys if you didn't already see it. So yeah, I'm gonna get into this. I opted to use the liquids that they sent over. I don't always do that. In fact, I take that back. I try to use what has been sent unless it's unusable. So as far as I could tell, these were going to perform. I put peel base on my nails on top of my builder gel, so I wasn't too concerned about using an unfamiliar product on my nails. And again, Modelones is a reputable brand, so I wasn't too concerned. Again, these have those little plastic bottles like the a hoo-hoo kit that I tried out. I didn't end up using those liquids, but they have the same little tippy bottles. They're not my favorite. As you can see, I bump them repeatedly and they're really easy to knock over. So I recommend if you're going to use these, have a little stand, have like a miniature Play-Doh container or something to stick that into so it doesn't knock over easily. Anyway, I am getting right into my application here. Just standard application. I do 2 dips of this black on the fingers I chose. I think I do 3 fingers in the black. Impressed right away with that. So if you've used black powder anywhere, you typically have it kind of all over your finger. It's super highly pigmented, obviously, because it's black. But when I took my finger out of the powder and I did not have it kind of left all over my finger, I was kind of shocked. So the powder felt pretty standard to me. It wasn't like the super soft fluffy ones. It was a little bit more grainy feeling, and maybe that's why it didn't stick all over my finger, but I'm all about that. So great black, super pigmented, just looked black. That's what you're going for when you get a black. So I was pleased with that powder. I am going to finish up my black dips and then come back with more chatting for you guys. So hang in there. Alright, so here we go into the teal color that came with this kit. I actually thought that it was a teal, black, and white, and then I swatched them and realized that the white was clear. It wasn't really indicated on the jar, so not that I could find anyway, or on the website description, but that's good information to have. I like that a kit comes with clear. I just think it would be good to know, because if you aren't swatching your powders or don't have swatches, or you're new to dipping in general, you might not think of that. And I'm 4 years into dipping and I didn't think that it was clear, because it's not super common for clear to come with a kit. So again, I liked that. I just think it should be indicated a little more clearly. So I went ahead into this really pretty toned like turquoise powder, and it was a glow, which I knew when I picked it because I love glowing powders. But I have to say, I did my one dip, and then when I went ahead and dusted off the excess powder, it was really, really sheer still. So you'll see in a minute here. I guess I was wrong, by the way. I did 2 black fingers and 3 in this glow, which kind of makes sense for my glow-loving heart. I just didn't remember offhand while recording this what I did. Guys, I do my nails a lot, if you hadn't noticed. So sometimes these things slip my mind, and thank you for bearing with me in those moments. So the base has been performing just fine for me. The powders adhered just fine, but like I said, watch when I dust off this excess. Look how sheer that color is on my nail, and kind of I don't know, grainy looking. So I decided right then and there that I was gonna end up doing 3 dips. So I've sped this up for you guys so you don't have to like drudge through it, but I did 3 dips of this, and then I wanted to test out the clear. So I did a clear dip over the black nails, because I think that's a real true test for a clear, is how it performs over black. So hang in there while I finish up these dips and then clear cap my black, and I will be back with you for some more thoughts. Alright, so I went in there with my stiff brush to get off all the excess powder, and as you could see, I kind of messed up that pinky nail, so then I kind of left the index finger alone. I don't know, the blue nails dusted off just fine with the stiff brush, but maybe I went in too quickly on the other two, I don't know, but I was going to activate and file and buff, so I wasn't too concerned about it. That being said, any links that I have or discounts or anything like that will be in the description box below. I just wanted to chat with you real quick while I'm doing this activator and then top coat after I file and buff. I am going to reach out to Modelones and let them know that this powder was really translucent and just didn't perform super well. They're a really like big, well-known brand, and I've seen a ton of videos and manis with their products, and this was not what I was expecting based on what I've seen before. So I may have gotten like a fluke, just like bad mix of powder or something, I don't know. But anyway, I just want you guys to know I'm going to reach out to them and see if I can get another set of powders and give them a try, or a second try, because like I said, I think that Modelones is better than what my first experience is being here. So I wanted to have this video to show you guys start to finish what my process was, so when you saw the final picture, you understood how it got to be like it was. So anyway, I'd love to hear your thoughts and your experiences with Modelones. I've used their gel base, gel top, and matte top coat before. They're fantastic. They have gel products, they have polygel, they have dip products on their website. They're a really big and well-known brand. So again, this was not what I was expecting out of the experience, but I'm going to reach out to them and see if I can get a second shot. So anyway, I'm going to let you watch my top coat application, and then I will be back in a minute with some final thoughts for you guys. All right, so there I am all top coated up, and you can see just kind of the speckled look in those teal nails that I was talking about. The black was fine. The clear wasn't crystal clear on top of the black. Again, I find black to be the true test of a clear, but that could also be contributing factors like the stiff brush, that I didn't really go in and get that excess powder off really well like I like to with clear, because I didn't want to mess up that application any further. So I am finishing up with my Candy Skincare Cuticle Candy as per usual. I have a discount below if you need to stock up on your Candy Skincare. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something. Check out the awesome glow from this powder. It's like a flashlight on my nails. Anyway, I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you in my next vid. Bye now.